Hey guys, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We have the 6-point retractable harness kit. We're going to unbox it right now and show you what's inside. This is one of the last parts that we have not seen yet from the Kawasaki product line for the all-new KRX 1000. We know that both driver and passenger seat belts are included. We do know that they are retractable. Looks like we got a couple boxes in boxes, some bracketry of some sort. We'll do a close-up of this stuff, but wanted to open this up and kind of see what we got here. So, guessing this is going to be one of the harnesses here. So looks like we've got the retractors here, sternum strap, easy quick release there. You're going to be able to override the seatbelt safety switch with that. Obviously in this other box is going to be for the passenger side. Bag of some bolts. This is going to be to mount everything together, of course. Let's see what the bar is going to look like. So obviously it's a multi-piece bar. A single bar for each side, it looks like. So two of those, so they are separate. Doesn't look like they're going to go together at all. Your retractors are going to mount onto here. This is obviously going to mount onto some existing frame structure there of the machine. We're going to get them installed. We'll do another walk around and show you a little bit about those, but these harnesses, you guys, are legit. Got the sewn in pads there. It's going to be a really comfortable setup for sure. Don't know what to tell you as far as the install yet goes. We're going to get them installed right now. We'll do a walk around video and show you what they look like when they are installed. Lots and lots of people are waiting for these, you guys. We're going to get that install done. We're going to post up in the description below where you can buy them. We have them in stock. We can ship them out today. Give us a call, 435-427-3338, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. A lot more information to come. We've about got this one wrapped up. But if you guys have accessories you haven't seen yet, post up in those comments below and we'll be sure and cover that in a video for you. As always, have a great day, everybody.